You pick up your phone in the dark, and before you consciously register the screen waking up, it's already verified your identity and unlocked. That split-second authentication relies on two of the most frequent terms in modern technology: a neural network and deep learning. These phrases often create a specific mental image, a literal mechanical brain trapped inside the device, actively thinking as it looks back at you. While these networks are loosely inspired by how biological cells connect, the actual mathematics involved is quite different from how real brain cells function. If there isn't a conscious mind staring back at you from behind the glass, what exactly is making the decision to unlock the phone? To find the answer, we have to look past the science fiction imagery and examine the simple math operating at the microscopic level. At the base of this digital architecture is the foundational building block of the network, a single node, or neuron. On its own, this node performs a very simple task. It takes raw numbers in, executes a basic calculation, and passes a new number out. Think of it like a relay race with thousands of runners. No single person understands the whole race, but by passing a baton forward row after row, they can accomplish a complex goal together. The starting line of this relay is the input layer. Its job is to receive raw data, like the individual pixel values that make up a photo of your face. At this stage, the network has no concept of what a face is. It is simply processing a massive pile of disconnected numbers and waiting to pass them forward. The actual transformation happens in the hidden layers, which receive the baton pass from the starting line. The first hidden layer takes raw pixels and detects basic elements, like sharp edges and light contrasts. The next layer combines these into simple shapes, like curves and corners. A third layer organizes these shapes into recognizable features, like an eye or nose. This process of building complexity through stacked simplicity is the core mechanism of AI pattern recognition. This is what the term deep learning actually means. It refers to the physical depth of the network, simply stacking dozens or hundreds of these layers together to process information. No single node or layer inside this structure knows what a human face is. The recognition emerges entirely from the combination of these parts working in sequence. The finish line is the output layer, which synthesizes all the feature data from the previous layers into a final probability, a 92% confidence that the face is yours. This entire incredible relay race, from raw pixels to a final confident decision, happens in well under a second. Viewed through this mathematical lens, the technology is a highly structured system of collective effort. This architecture of stacked simplicity is why AI has progressed from simple data sorting to recognizing faces and understanding human speech over the last 10 years. Which makes you wonder, what other apps are you using daily that are triggering millions of these invisible relay races beneath your fingertips?